Hi guys, this is Mrs. Lyons. Today's video is going to walk you through how to take chemical equations and put them into word equations. So we're going to do just 3 quick examples of this, and then you'll have some practice to do in class. So let's get going. First example, we have H2 plus O2 reacts to give us H2O. We want to put this into words, so we need to name each element or compound in our reaction. So we know that H2, that's a diatomic, that's one of the Hoberfinkels, so that's just hydrogen. And the G tells us it's gas. The plus means that it reacts with, what is it reacting with? It reacts with O2, so that's going to be oxygen gas. Our arrow means yield or produce. So we're going to say hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas to yield. And then what is our product? Water. But it's not water as a liquid, it's water as a gas, so we could say water vapor. Or you could say water as a gas. But that's as straightforward as it is. Hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas to yield water vapor. Let's try another one. Alright, so here we have some ionic compounds. We're going to have to figure out, use our knowledge from the last unit to name these. So we've got MgCO3. Mg we know is magnesium. CO3, if you look at your polyatomic ion chart, that's carbonate. So magnesium carbonate. And the S tells us it's solid. And then notice that it's reacting right now. It's not reacting with anything. It's just, this is the only reactant. So magnesium carbonate solid yields, or we could say produces. That's our word to put in when we see the arrow. Produces MgO. Okay, so we've got magnesium. O is oxygen, we change the ending, oxide, and we could put solid magnesium oxide. And what is this one? Oh, this one is not ionic. This is covalent, so we've got to go back and think about our covalent naming. And carbon dioxide, because there's 2 oxygens. And it's a gas. Alright, magnesium carbonate solid produces solid magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. One more. Okay, CH4. Again, we've got a covalent compound, so this is going to be carbon tetrahydride. Now, if you know the more common name for this, you could write down methane. That's what comes out of our gas jets for our Bunsen burners. Methane gas, or carbon tetrahydride gas, reacts with, that's the plus, with, we've got O2, so oxygen gas. The arrow to produce, okay, that's our word that tells us we're going from reactants to products. Here we've got carbon dioxide gas again. And what? Now we could name this dihydrogen monoxide, but most of you should recognize it as water, and it tells us it's in the gaseous state, so water vapor. Okay, so writing chemical equations to word equations is pretty straightforward if you just look at all the clues that you have. Alright, that's it for today. I will see you soon.